Greetings from Right Group. This is a property near Rohora Bazaar in Khorda location. This is a bungalow on over 2 kathas of land. This is the main entrance. As we enter the building, on the ground floor we come to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom with chandeliers and interior decoration in place. Quite a big bedroom we have. As we come out from the first bedroom, we have the second bedroom on the ground floor. This is the second bedroom with lot of furnitures in place. From the second bedroom, we enter the dining area. This is the dining area. And adjacent to the dining area, we have the kitchen with granite top. Through the kitchen, we have the service area for washing of utensils and clothes. Very useful piece of area. From the dining area, we come out to the corridor. On the left side of the corridor, we have the washroom and the washing and basin area. Through the corridor, we can climb up to the first floor, and there's a second entrance, which is the north-facing entrance over here. This is the staircase to the first floor. On the first floor, first we enter the library room or the study room. This is the first floor puja room adjacent to the study room. Cupboards and storage place in place. On the first floor, we enter the first bedroom. Big and wide, very spacious with large windows and a lot of storage space. There's also a mini balcony over here for cross ventilation and for viewing purpose. On the first floor, we enter the second room. This can also be used as a utility area. The first floor washroom. From the first floor, we move up to the roof. This is the big roof, lot of space. For this property, you can get in touch with Right Group at 9830042930, 9830042930. Please get in touch with Right Group at 9830042930.